Hi there! Activating a device on GPS tracking platform usually requires at least minor technical skills in order to pre-configure the device with the right IP address and port number. However, right now we're going to show you how to activate any GPS tracking device on Navixy platform in under a minute by using its automatic device activation tool. First, log into your Navixy account and go to Device Activation menu at the bottom left corner. After you're in, select the needed model. Use the search bar to quickly find the needed device. Specify the phone number of a SIM card installed on the device and its ID or IMEI, which can be usually found in the box or the GPS tracker itself. Give the platform a few seconds to connect to the device and done. The new object is on the map. The green indicator on the left shows that the device is fully activated and ready to go places. If you want to know more about the features of Navixy platform, please hit subscribe to miss no videos by Navixy. Thank you and see you next time.